welcome to the Premier Inn Hotel at Hartlepool Marina. Hartlepool in England, in County Durham, I believe. If I've got my geography right there, don't shout at me if I'm wrong. And we're staying here, two of us are staying here on a room-only basis for 3 nights, and it has cost a very good price of £155. Okay, so this was where I entered the room. You need to have a key card in there for the electric to work, and immediately upon entering you've got 2 hooks, followed by a mirror and a little sort of vanity area just there with a hairdryer plugged in. There is a fan available if you need it. I can note from that that there probably isn't air conditioning in this room. Here we've got this big tall unit, which is kind of like the wardrobe area. A couple of spare pillows on top, towel at the bottom, and underneath that is a stiff drawer. Next to that we've got the bottle opener, and then a large desk area with 1, 2, 3 plug sockets, some fancy things down here, I don't know what they all mean. Then we've got a kettle and tea and coffee, just 1 sachet of coffee and 1 tea bag each. Bin underneath, heater, and we've got a chaise lounge. I don't know why I never asked for one, but we've got a chaise lounge, so there you go, which is nice, always nice to have. So potentially I guess this room could sleep 3. Then we've got the large double stroke king size bed. It looks like a nice size bed, and on either side of the bed is a lamp, and on this side there is definitely a plug socket, which is good, and on the other side no plug socket, which isn't as good. So it's a fair decent room. We've got a lovely view straight over the marina. It's a ground floor room, but I mean that's nice, isn't it? This has all been sort of regenerated, this area. And I've never been to Hartlepool before, so we're just here to explore, see somewhere new. Can't get abroad, let's explore the UK. So flat screen Samsung TV, and that's about it for now. So let's have a look at the bathroom. So the bathroom, it's not huge, but it's perfectly fine in terms of what it's got. We've got the toilet paper, courtesy of Kimberly-Clark. We've got the built-in integrated sink unit just there, some gentle soap. And then we've got my least favourite arrangement of a shower over a bathtub. Why do they do this? This looks like it's even fairly new. Nobody wants a bathtub. I mean, baths are from the 1970s. Let's move on now. Let's just have nice shower cubicles. So this is actually tall. It's higher than my knee. So that's going to be a little bit of a mission for some people, getting in and out of that. And the only grab rail I can see is the towel rail, which actually is quite sturdy. So yeah, but it's not great, that. I must admit, I would prefer not to have a bathtub. They're pretty horrible things. The shower itself looks like it's got a good sized head, and got 2 towels in here, so that means that there are 2 main bath towels and a floor towel altogether with this room. And we've got more hair and body gel over there. So literally, other than my gripe about the fact that there's a bathtub and a shower over the bathtub, it's a great room for what I've paid. I'm not complaining really, in all honesty. It's a little bit tongue-in-cheek what I'm saying, so don't worry about it. Anyway, I'm going to have an explore around Hartlepool. I'll take some more shots around the hotel. There's not a lot to see. Corridors, reception, external area. But hopefully I'll make a nice film in Hartlepool. So I'll catch you in a bit. See you later, folks. The film that you've just watched is a Moss Travel Media production, and you can find more like them by going to www.mosstravel.tv. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel and watching my film. It's hugely appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by going to youtube.com/Stuart Moss. Hit the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you hit the bell, then you'll also get notifications about any future travel films which I upload. If you like my travel films, then you might also like my second channel, which is about home and garden. Please have a look for that channel. You'll find it at www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk, and if you like what you see, please give that a subscribe also. If you'd like to connect with me as Moss Travel Media on other social media, then you'll find me on Facebook at facebook.com/Moss Travel. That's the page. And if you'd like to connect with the profile, then the profile is Moss Travelogue. If you'd like to connect with me on Instagram to see my travel photography, where I'm up to, what stories I'm telling, then go to instagram.com/StuMoss or do a search for user Stu Moss. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, I'm at Moss Travel TV. On Pinterest, I'm Moss Travel Media, which is pinterest.co.uk/Moss Travel TV. On Tumblr, I'm stuartmoss.tumblr.com, or just do a search for Moss Travel Tumblr. On WordPress, I'm wordpress.com/view/MossTravelTV.wordpress.com, or do a search for Moss Travel Media on WordPress. And on vContactor, you can find me by going to vk.com/Moss Travel Media, or doing a search for Stuart Moss. If you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on mosstraveltv@gmail.com. And once again, thank you for watching and for your support. I really, really do appreciate it. I wish you all the best of days, happy travels and bon voyage.